Welcome back, creators. In today's tutorial, we will dive into the world of YouTube thumbnails and show you how to make stunning and attention-grabbing thumbnails by using Photopea, an incredible online photo editing tool. Your YouTube thumbnail is a gateway to your video. With Photopea, you can create professional-looking thumbnails that stand out from the crowd. To start the thumbnail creation process, we will utilize the powerful tools and features offered by Photopea. From selecting the perfect background to adding the captivating text and elements, we will make your thumbnail pop. Begin by selecting the ideal background for your thumbnail. You can choose from a range of colors, gradient, or even import images to set the mood and capture the essence of your video. Select the new project, select the YouTube thumbnail, and click on Create. Here you have this background layer. Now let's start adding our background. For that, I have this image. I'll place it right here. And then increase its size to about like this. I'll delete this one for now. Now let's add our subject. For that, I have this image with me. So let's use Mr. Beast as our photo. And let's add it here. First, let's crop this image. For that, we'll use the quick selection tool and then start selecting. And there we have it. Just click on this mask and we are good to go. Now let's bring this image and place it on our project. Make sure the background is in the background. Let's lock this layer. And with our subject, let's put it right here. Now I will convert it into smart object. So we can add some of the filters as a stroke. Just double click on this area. This will open up this layer panel. Here select the stroke. Here you can increase the size of the stroke. This one's all right. You can change its color to the fill type. Make sure to experiment and find the right and best color for your stroke. Once you find it, just click on OK and you're good to go. You can add the outer glow as well, but for now, we'll just stick with the stroke. Just hit OK. Now let's lock this layer. Now let's add our card image. For that, I have this one. I will just grab it and paste it right here. Let's delete this one and place it just right here. You can increase or decrease its size. Yeah, this one looks all right. Let's hit on this tick mark. Let's take a copy of this layer and then select this image and use the remove tool. Let's use the mask for now. Select the brush tool. Let's hide this one. Make sure you selected the black color and remove this area. I will let you know in a minute why I did that. Now I will convert it into smart object and then double click right here and add the stroke. And then I will unhide this layer. So we have this beautiful stroke around this area. Just double click on it again. Select the stroke and reduce its value. Hit OK. Now let's move on to adding the text to your YouTube thumbnail. For that, in the left, select the text panel. Here, just click on it and then add the text. Select all the text and then select the selection tool. Make sure you have transform controls on. Just increase its size. and rotate it. Here select the text and change its color to this green. Let's choose this color to something like bluish. This one is brighter bluish. Let's use this one, and then let's add some stroke to it. For that, just click on stroke, increase or decrease value, so this will look good. Yeah, this one's all right. Let's add some adjustments to it. Let's select both of these, select the paragraph panel and center align them. Move it just right here. Select this text, go to the character and enter tracking to about 40. Let's add some more. Yeah, this one looks good. Let's add some more. That is all right. To find the text, search here bold. Yeah, this one's all right. So we are already using this one. Make sure your text size is bigger, so this will attract the audience attention as well. And once you're happy with it, just click on confirm. You can move it around with this tool, and just like that. You can add some of the motion blur to this one to make some more adjustments. Let's add some question mark here as well. Now let's add some of the motion blur to this one. Select the background layer, unlock the layer, and then go to the filter, blur, and motion blur. You can select the direction. The right direction is like that, so we'll use this direction just around here. Let's add some motion blur to it. Yeah, this looks good. Just hit OK once you're happy with it. Let's add some motion blur to this card as well. But before, let's take a copy of this. Once you have taken a copy of this, let's add some blur to it. Go to the filter, blur, motion blur, and it creates the value. Just hit on OK. Let's add some mask to it. Select the brush tool. Select the mask and paint on the area. Select the opacity to about 43%, flow about same as well. Let's paint on this part. We will leave this part as this one looks good. Decrease more opacity and more flow and add some smoothness to it. And just like that. Now select the selection tool and go back. And there you have it. And there we have it. That's our final design. If I zoom in, if I zoom out, you see there's a difference. I can see clearly the face and the text as well. And so there you have it. Just remember, your thumbnail should not only catch the eye but also provide a glimpse into what value your video offers. Make it enticing, informative, and visually captivating. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.